Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. The former governor of Anambra State and the presidential candidate of the Labour Party in the 2023 presidential election, Peter Obi, has said that he should be counted out of coalition to remove the incumbent government of Bola Ahmed Tinubu and the APC in 2027. That is what we're going to talk about in this video. And if you are new to my channel and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. Now, Peter Obi, the presidential candidate of the Labour Party in the 2023 presidential election, has dissociated himself from alleged coalition to dislodge Bola Ahmed Tinubu and the APC. Is that really the case? Does it mean that Peter Obi don't care about the removal of Bola Ahmed Tinubu and the APC, who obviously have failed Nigerian people? Is he saying that they should not be dislodged? That's not what Peter Obi is saying. Peter Obi is not saying that he will not work to ensure that Tinubu and the APC are shown the way out of the Asoro Villa. What Peter Obi was saying in that event at the National Conference on Strengthening Democracy in Nigeria, in Abuja, was that what is important now is not power grab for power grab's sake. It is about the issue of dealing and addressing with the present danger that the country is in. For instance, when he was asked that question, he said that they was asked the question about the coalition they are building to ensure that APC is defeated in 2027. And he said that power grab is not, he's not interested in power grab. It is about addressing the current challenges facing ordinary Nigerians. Okay, he said that what should be paramount to politicians should be eradication of poverty, fixing public schools, hospitals, and security of lives and property. In other words, right now, the issue of the how to grab power should not be at the center stage. It should not be at the center stage. Of course, you and I know that if you're a follower of current events in Nigeria, you know that Peter Obi has also been doing to the best of his ability things he said that politicians should be doing now, ensuring the eradication of poverty. That's why you see Peter Obi visiting the internally displaced persons camp across the country. That's why you see Peter Obi fixing public schools, going to schools across the country, donating millions of naira, refurbishing schools and all that. He also is doing that in hospitals, visiting hospitals, assisting in their renovation, providing medical consumables and all that. He has been doing this. He has gone to higher institutions where he has donated his own contribution. He has donated several millions of naira across the country. Okay, because what he's saying is that let us first of all touch the lives of the people before we begin to talk about how they grab this power. Okay, he has been consistent in doing that. He is, to my knowledge, he is the only presidential candidate I know that has visited most of the areas of challenges in this country, even visiting the hospitals to see the recent victims of a fuel tanker explosion in Diko. That's at Diko Junction. There's Diko in Niger State, where over 90 people lost their lives and several others are still in hospitals, either in hospitals in Niger State, in Diko, in Suleja, or those whose cases are so bad that they have been referred to the National Hospital Abuja. He had been visiting those places, empathizing with the people. What he says that what is important is to be able to be with the people at this state of the nation and not about the power grab. It's not that Peter Obi is not interested in dislodging Bola Ahmed Tinubu. I can tell you that for free. That's not what he meant when he said that. Okay? And it's not that he's averse to a coalition to dislodge Bola Ahmed Tinubu. He himself understands the power of coalition, the power of coming together. But like I keep saying, Peter Obi should not be just for the power grab, to join a coalition for power grab. It should be a power grab that will make sense for the betterment of the country. Because if you look at those who are positioning themselves for power grab, they are positioning themselves in a very faulty way. They want the presidency to return to the north after just 4 years of Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Bola Ahmed Tinubu, as bad as his administration may be, is not enough reason why the South should lose the presidency in 2027. But from my own investigation of this coalition that are being packaged by several northern blocs, what they are packaging is a situation where they want to grab the power from Bola Ahmed Tinubu when southern Nigeria still have 4 more years to go at the presidency. After 8 years of Muhammadu Buhari as president, common sense, fairness, justice, and equity determined that the next president of Nigeria must come from the South. And he did indeed come from the South, even though it wasn't the person that people wanted that is there representing the South. Overwhelming majority of Southerners voted for Peter Obi. That's who they wanted to be the president, overwhelmingly. And the rest of the country also voted for him. But INEC did what he did and announced what it has announced. And Tinubu is the person there. Now, after 4 years of Bola Ahmed Tinubu, which has been disastrous for Nigerians economically in several dimensions, the economy has collapsed. Insecurity is worse than it has ever been. Naira is the worst performing currency in the world, and so many other negativities. There is no way that the APC can, in a free and fair election, win any election in Nigeria, even in 2027. But that's not enough reason for the North to say, okay, we want to grab this power back. That's not enough reason for Atiku Abubakar to say, we are going to take this power back from them. That's not enough reason for Kwankwaso to say, we're going to take this power from them. If they are truly sincere about changing the status quo, especially in terms of running the country better, what they ought to do and what they should be doing is working around a coalition centered around Peter Obi, so that Peter Obi will be the consensus candidate in 2027 that will be used to dislodge the APC. Anything short of that will be a power grab for the sake of power grab, which is apparently what Peter Obi is referring to. I don't know what you think about this, but whatever is your position, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video, and if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.